Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo Chen of Levitate Style. In this video, I'm going to be talking about this early pair. We got the Air Jordan 4 Volt. Before I get into this video, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Levitate Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so follow along. Alright, we got this early pair. I'm super excited. This is the Air Jordan 4 Retro in the cool gray, wolf gray colorway. And this retails for $225. I got this in my size 11. Before we get into the shoes, let's check out the box real quick. This is definitely different from other boxes I've seen. It looks like you kind of have to look at this like vertical. The logo is vertical. You got black and gray with a big white Jumpman. And it has flight in this highlighter green Volt color. Let's open this up. We got this black plastic. And also the white paper. All right, here we go. The Jordan 4 Volt. The Air Jordan 4 in this gray and Volt colorway. What you guys think? First look. I gotta say, first look at this sneaker, I love the color. I love the colorway. It's a little bit like heavier than usual, I think. Also looks a little bit bigger, chunkier, but it's a beautiful color. So this, if you didn't know, this is basically a collaboration with the Air Max 95, which is a classic sneaker in the Nike history. That color, you know, has all the different gray tone colors. So you got white, gray, dark gray, black, which is why you see these colors here. And I love this color blocking. It's really, really nice looking. And I just love that they tried this like crossover. You don't usually see that much fusion with other Jordan sneakers. And to do this on a classic pair of Jordan, that's really cool. The influence and design is so similar to the Air Max 95, and that's the whole point. This collab here is really cool. So you got the white tongue at the top. You have these laces here. I think they're reflective laces, just like the ones you usually see on Air Max 95s. Then you have this lighter gray suede color up on this upper here. You have this white netting, which is really sharp with the white and the gray and this black on the bottom. On the lace holes here, you have this Volt green, highlighter green color that is very much the strong bold color on the Air Max 95. And then going down the next panel, you have this darker gray, again, suede. So I love this texture, this detail. And then going further down, you have another darker gray here in the toe box area. My favorite part is the midsole here. They actually put suede on this part here. I don't think I've ever seen a pair of Jordan with suede on the midsole. It's usually like white or black, but this added texture is so nice. And then on the bottom, you have all black with this highlighter green Volt color again. So really pops and matches with the sneaker overall. On the back tab here, you have this 3M material. This is again copying the Air Max 95, and you have the Nike Air in black. This is another added detail that just shows you how much they try to take the design on the Air Max 95 and put it on this classic Jordan 4. So I really love this detail. It's very different. Never seen anything like this. So that's really cool. And it doesn't stop there. So on the tongue here, you have this like much thicker and bigger tongue. On the logo here, you have the split black and white. And then the other half is this gray and highlighter green Volt color. The tongue is really cool. It's an added detail that maybe some people won't notice right away, but this is like the thicker tongue that you usually see on the Air Max 90. And on the inside, you got the Volt green in the Nike Air logo in black. All right, second part of the video, I'm gonna do a quick comparison with the classic Jordan 4 Bread colorway. So here it is side by side next to each other. A lot of differences. So huge differences. As you can see, the netting is different, the laces are different. The classic Jordan 4 has this flat laces that you see on all the Jordans. They're using this round laces that's 3M that you usually see on Air Maxes. And then of course, like I said, the tongue, this is like way bigger than this one. This is a lot flatter. And the logo, the split logo design with the color, this on the classic is just black and red with the flight. And then again on the back, this is the classic one where it's just this plastic piece here and this Nike Air. And then on this one, it's a little bit smaller, the logo as you can see, and this is a 3M material. On the bottom, on the classic Air Jordan 4, you have this colorway where it's gray, white, and red. 3 different colors, whereas on the new Jordan 4, it's just black and Volt. Another side-by-side right here, I really love the different colors of the gray. It really shows you how many layers and how many details are on the Jordan 4. Whereas on the Classic, it's just like an all black or all white. This, you can see that there's so many levels to the sneaker, hence all the different gray colors. Another quick comparison I have here is the Air Max 90. Now this is another Classic colorway in the infrared. You can see the similarity here. This is the tongue that's on this guy, really big and thick, and that's exactly what we have here on the Jordan 4. I gotta say, I'm really impressed, and I really like this collaboration between two of the most iconic Nike sneakers in history. Normally I don't love the fusion sneakers, but this one I think a lot of people can really appreciate and enjoy the design detail in this one. All right, so now let's get into a few ways to style and wear these guys. All right guys, look number one for the Taylor Hype style. This one here is a long top coat from Margiela. It's one of my favorite pieces, one of my favorite designers. This one here, you have a really nice plaid pattern, and I love that subtle details in the menswear world, bring it into street style. This top coat is a little bit longer, a little bit more oversized, so you can see that the sleeves are a little bit longer, so that makes the coat more relaxed. This top coat is also great for the spring season because a lot lighter. It's not heavy like a winter coat, and I love that it just brings such a sharp style to this street style look. I paired it with this black t-shirt that's going to be in my new collection from the Levitate collection coming out very soon. And what I love about this t-shirt is that it is a crew neck, but it's also a raw neck shirt. And I love that it has that subtle details that make the shirt more casual, and it looks really good and fitted for an outfit like this. This is definitely my new go-to t-shirt, and you can get it soon from my collection. For the pants of this outfit video, I wanted to go with something more casual. You know, you guys always see me wear ripped jeans, and you can easily swap this with some black ripped jeans as well. For this one, I'm going with this black cargo jogger pants from Karl Lagerfeld. And of course on the bottom you got the Jordan 4, and I love that this color detail, you got black and you got gray matching the color in the sneakers. Alright, moving on, outfit number 2, we have the Suede Biker jacket. Now normally for the biker jacket, I always do an all black everything look, but to style these shoes I wanted to go with a monochromatic look. So instead of the black leather jackets you always see, I'm going with this gray suede biker jacket. And I love this piece for the spring season. You want something that's a little bit lighter for the weather, so this lighter gray color is really nice and different from the black leather jacket. Now gray is another easy color to incorporate in your outfits, so definitely give this jacket a try. The suede detail on the jacket makes it look very interesting. In different lighting it could look different shades of gray, and I just love the added texture in the jacket. For the t-shirt, I swapped it for a white t-shirt instead. The white t-shirt is great, so you can balance the gray, the white, and the black pants. So it really creates a different type of look throughout the outfit, so it's not just all black everything. Outfit number 3, I'm going with a hoodie. Now for this outfit, this is definitely the most casual outfit you'll see in my style videos, but we still got to keep it nice and fitted and sharp. Now this hoodie I got from RSVP Gallery. I actually got this one from the Chicago All-Star Weekend, and I love the color on this. I don't have a lot of green colors in my closet, so this piece really stands out, and that highlighter green color matches really well with the Volt color in the sneakers. When it comes to a hoodie and jogger, a very casual outfit like this, go for higher quality pieces that's more fitted, the materials are better, and you can actually see that in the outfit. The hoodie is definitely more fitted and the quality is really nice. And then again with the jogger pants, it's nice and fitted. So even though I'm wearing a very casual and comfortable outfit, it doesn't have to look sloppy. And last but not least, for the accessories in all 3 outfits, I'm wearing this black Chronograph watch by Tissot. And I just love that you can wear a steel band. The steel band, the gray color, matches really well with the sneakers. And the steel band will really pop with the outfit that's monochromatic, the black and the gray. And then for my sunglasses, I'm going with my go-to. This is the Tom Ford aviator frames. Of course, you want to find sunglasses that fit your face. That works really well. For me, these are my go-to. I love how they look on me. So these accessories really help pull this outfit together, even though it's a very casual outfit. All right guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments, are you guys gonna get a pair? Which one of the outfits is your favorite? Thank you guys for watching.